guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me once again. I hope everyone is having a great week, and if you celebrate Easter, I would like to wish you a happy Easter. We received a $4 mystery offer for Maybelline or L'Oreal Cosmetics. I don't have any of those two deals in this video, but I just wanted to mention it in case anybody needs it. You can combine it with a 3 of 15 Maybelline CRT or 3 of 15 L'Oreal Cosmetics CRT, depending on which one you want to do. The first deal I have is on Oral-B toothbrush. They are part of the buy 3 get $5 extra care box bag, and Crest 3D white toothpaste is included in this deal. Pick up 3, and the 3 of them are going to total $11.97. Everybody received a 5 off 3 digital coupon, and I also have a 3 off 9 Crest or Oral-B CRT. The coupon and the CRT will drop it down to $3.97, and you get $5 extra care box back, making all 3 free and a $1.03 money maker. This clearance has been going on for a while and is on Radio's Big Kiss replacement head. They on clearance for $1.29, and Ibotta is giving back 50 cents, making it just 79 cents. The next deal is on Garnier Facial Care. It's on the deal of buy 2 get $5 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1. They also on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. Pick up 2 of the black peel off masks. They are priced at $9.29. That means the second one is going to be $4.65. Both are going to total $13.94. I only have a 2 of 10 Garnier Facial Care CRT that will drop it down to $11.94, and you get $5 extra care box back. Check Ibotta because it's giving back $2 on each, and it's a limit of 2. After the rebate, both will end up costing just $2.94 or $1.47 each. The next deal is spend 20 get $10 extra care box back, and Eucerin lotion is part of this deal. Pick up 3 of the Eucerin Original Healing Lotion 5 ounces, priced at $6.99 each. All 3 will total $20.97. I have a 3 of 20 Eucerin CRT, and I also have 3 of the $2 Eucerin coupons. The coupons and the CRT will drop it down to $11.97, and you get $10 extra care box back, making all 3 just $1.97 or 66 cents each. The next deal I have is on soft soap body wash. They are part of the buy 2 get $4 extra care box back. Pick up 2. They are priced at $6.59 each. Both will total $13.18. We all received a 5 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $8.18, and you get $4 extra care box back, making both just $4.18 or $2.09 each. The next deal is on Nivea body wash. They are on the deal of buy 2 get $7 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the men's body wash at $6.79 each. Both will total $13.58. We received a 5 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $8.58, and you get $7 extra care box back, making both $1.58 or 79 cents each. If you prefer the Nivea Women Body Wash, pick up 2. They are priced at $7.99. Both will total $15.98. Use the 5 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $10.98, and you get $7 extra care box back, making both just $3.98 or $1.99 each. If you have a 4 off 18 body wash CRT, you can combine the soft soap deal with the Nivea Men deal. Both will total $26.76. After the 2 coupons and the 4 off 18 CRT come off, it will drop it down to $12.76, and you get $7 back for the Nivea, $4 back for the soft soap. That will end up making the 4 products just $1.76 or 44 cents each. The next deal is spend 15 get $5 extra care box back on any Shea Moisture bath and shower, hair care or baby items, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up the Shea Moisture Enhancing Smoothie price at $15.79. We have a $3 digital coupon that will drop it down to $12.79, and you get $5 extra care box back, making it just $7.79. Or you can pick up the Calming Cream Body Scrub priced at $14.79. That's within the 98% rule to spend 15. Use the same $3 digital coupon That will drop it down to $11.79, and you get $5 extra care box back, making it just $6.79. The next deal I have here is on Got2b hair care, and on the deal of buy 2, you get $2 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Got2b blasting free spray. They're on sale for 2 for $13. We have a 2 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to 11, and you get $2 extra care box back. Check your Shopkick, cause it's giving back 700 cakes, limit of 3. That means you get back 1400 cakes, which is $5.60. And after the reward back, it will make these 2 items just $3.40 or $1.70 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $6 extra care box back on any CoverGirl cosmetics, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the CoverGirl Perfect Blend Pencil, priced at $5.79 each. Both will total $11.58. Use 2 of the $3 CoverGirl Eye coupon from 324 savings set. It will drop it down to $5.58, and you get $6 extra care box back, making both free and a 42-cent moneymaker. The next deal is spend 15 get $10 extra care box back on any Real Technique or Eco2 cosmetics tools. This is a limit of 1 as well. Pick up 1 of the Real Technique sponge, priced at $6.99, and the second item will be the Real Technique sponge with case, priced at $8.49. Both products will total $15.28. If you have a percentage of CRT, you can use it with this if you don't mind paying out of pocket. But if you don't have any percentage of CRT, pay the $15.28 and get $10 extra care box back, making both just $5.28 or $2.64 each. This week we have the granola bar on sale for $1.99 each. Pick up 2 boxes, and both boxes will total $3.98. We have a 50 cents off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $3.48. Submit your receipt to Ibotta, cause it's giving back $1 when you buy 2 boxes. That will end up making these 2 boxes just $2.48 or $1.24 each. The last deal I have in this video is the spend 30 get $10 extra care box back. Pick up the Tide detergent on sale for $12.99, and pick up 1 of the Charmin Ultra 8 Mega Roll on sale for $10.99. To complete this deal, pick up the Gain Fling on sale for $5.99. All 3 will total $29.97, and that's within the 98% rule. We have a $3 digital coupon for the Tide, $1 digital coupon for the Charmin, and a $1.50 digital coupon for the Gain Flings. That will drop it down to $24.47, and you get $10 extra care box back, making all 3 for $10.47 or $4.82 each. And this concludes my video today. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for all your support, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.